ॐ जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। ॐ नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित् सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे। I extend a hearty welcome to all of you to the 6th convention of Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhav Prachar Parishads being held at the holy precincts of Belur Math, and wish that you all have a comfortable and fruitful stay. Yesterday we had a beautiful performance of Dhrupad and Mridanga with the cooperation of Sri Robin Pal, General Secretary of Jalsaghar. This evening there will be a performance, Yodha Sannyasi in Hindi, a mono-act play by renowned player Sri Damodar Ramdasi, offered by Maharashtra Parishad. Tomorrow evening there will be 2 presentations from the Andhra Pradesh Parishad of Bhajan, Sri Ramakrishna Leela Giti and Perini Shivatandavam, and another presentation by Tamil Parishad of the drama Alexander and the Yogi, based on Swamiji's message. I deem it a privilege to welcome these artistes who have come to perform in this cultural functions. We are grateful to the Parishads which kindly arranged these functions. Several learned speakers, both monastic and lay, will be sharing their elevating and refreshing thoughts with you, all of which hopefully will prove beneficial to you, your Parishad, and the people of your locality when you return from here. I cordially extend to all of these speakers a very hearty welcome. I offer my humble and respectful pranams to most revered President Srimad Swami Atmasthananda Ji Maharaj, who has very graciously given us the benedictory message and is not physically fit enough to participate in this function. And I offer my humble and respectful pranams to revered Srimad Swami Smaranananda Ji Maharaj, Vice President of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission, who has very kindly agreed to chair this inaugural session. I am extremely grateful to him also for agreeing to release the souvenir that is being brought out on this occasion. Revered Maharaj was very close to the Bhav Prachar Parishad programs for many years and actively guided it as the convener of the Central Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhav Prachar Committee. He has also graciously given his benedictory message for the success of the convention. I also offer my humble and respectful pranams to revered Srimad Swami Prabhananda Ji Maharaj, Vice President of the Ramakrishna Order, who was also associated closely with the Bhav Prachar Parishad program and guided it for many years until recently. He has also very kindly given us his benedictory message. The first Parishad came into existence in 1982 after the second convention of Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission held in 1980, and over the past 32 years we have grown in number to 25 Parishads, covering districts, states and regions depending upon the density of the non-affiliated centers, now called member ashramas of a Parishad. The member ashramas associated with these Parishads are managed by householder devotees mainly. Sri Ramakrishna, in praise of householder devotees, makes the following very significant remark. A devotee who can call on God while living a householder's life is a hero indeed. God thinks he who has renounced the world for my sake will surely pray to me. He must serve me. Is there anything very remarkable about it? People will cry shame on him if he fails to do so. But he is blessed indeed who prays to me in the midst of the worldly duties. He is trying to find me, overcoming a great obstacle, pushing away, as it were, a huge block of stone weighing a ton. Such a man is a real hero. This is stated in the Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. The present convention of Bhav Prachar Parishad is unique because in it each member ashrama is represented by 2 delegates. Add to this the office bearers. Further, this convention is also a part of the commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Another highlight of the convention is the 2 days panel presentation in which more number of delegates have been enabled to take part. In the successful completion of Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary celebrations with a wide variety of programs, the Bhav Prachar Parishads and their member ashramas played an important part by supplementing the plans and projects of the Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission Centers. The first day of the convention, that is today, the 16th June 2014, with the general topic Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhav Prachar Parishad program, its achievements and scope. The second day of the convention is tomorrow, the 17th June 2014, with the general topic Swami Vivekananda in the light of 150 years. A witty brother points out the anomaly and recasts the topic as 150 years in the light of Swami Vivekananda. Along with the discussion on the service activities of the member ashramas among the poor and marginalized, work among the youth and children, and the spread of the life-giving message of Sri Ramakrishna and Swami Vivekananda, activities relating to the 150th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda just now concluded will also find a place in the discussions. We had to restrict the number of participating delegates to just 2 from each member ashrama, though there were many requests for including more delegates. We understand that this is a unique opportunity for the devotees associated with the member ashramas to come to Belur Math, our parent center, and enrich themselves spiritually and intellectually, but space constraints did not allow us to permit more delegates. We are also sorry that panel discussion is in 3 languages, English, Bengali and Hindi, and are being held simultaneously in 3 venues, and this will inhibit delegates from listening to what is being discussed in the other languages. However, the rapporteurs will be presenting the summary, which all will get to hear from the main pandal. We are extremely sorry that we could not arrange the convention at a more convenient time, avoiding the heat and the sultry weather, causing extreme discomfort. But yesterday's smart shower has made the atmosphere given us a little relief. I conclude with a prayer to Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother, Sarada Devi and Swami Vivekananda to hold us by their hands and gently guide us forward towards raising the masses for ushering a more glorious India of the future. Jai Sri Guru Maharaj Ji ki Jai.